Jim was riding his bike and a car pulled out in front of him. He hit the car. He went over the handlebars and landed face down with his arm in this position. His shoulder began to hurt immediately. EMS took him to the ER. The doctor told him that it looked like his shoulder was dislocated. Jim was off to the x-ray department. After the x-ray, the shoulder was put back in place, but the doctor was concerned about a potential fracture in the head of the humerus, the long bone of the arm. Jim came into the office and asked me about his shoulder injury. Hang on for 5 seconds and I'll tell you what I told Jim. Hi, I'm DiMartino, a doctor of chiropractic and attorney. I explained to Jim that an anterior dislocation of the shoulder is the most frequent dislocation. The way the shoulder usually dislocates is forceful abduction and external rotation, which is consistent with what he explained to me in the accident. I also explained that the ER doctor was probably talking about an impaction fracture of the humeral head. That happens when the humeral head is pushed up against the bones in the shoulder joint. The problem with this fracture is that they can cause a defect in the bone called a Hill-Sachs lesion. Here is a Hill-Sachs lesion. You can see that the head of the humerus is not smooth and round. There is an indentation. Jim then asked me about his future. I told him that I'm not a fortune teller, but there are two main issues that he has to look out for. Number one is chronic dislocations of the shoulder. Once the shoulder dislocates, it stretches the ligaments and the area of the joint can become loose. The other is post-traumatic arthritis, which can develop with the bone damage or because the joint is too loose. My best advice to Jim was to follow the doctor's orders to a T, make sure he didn't cheat on physical therapy when it came to rehab, and once we had a handle on how the shoulder problem was going to shake out in the end, we'll have a better handle on his personal injury matter. If you have any questions about a shoulder injury claim, you can always give me a call. I am DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.